you are still single because you think that taking these fancy trips with your friends is just some cute aesthetic to put on your Instagram or on your TikTok or wherever you may be putting it. But the truth is that in your singleness, you should be cultivating these relationships. You ever go to a wedding and you see the bridesmaids and the groomsmen? Those people are actually supposed to be people who have been pouring into your relationship, who have been there through the ups and downs of the relationship and are a witness to the greatness of what this relationship can be. So stop neglecting your relationships and your friendships because you're using it as an aesthetic to attract a man, when the truth is that your singleness is the opportunity for you to work on yourself, for you to know what your identity is so that you can say, I know who I am. And a person cannot come into your life and change who you are. You also should be working on your purpose because you can't be in relationship with someone who is not aligned with the purpose that is for your life, and vice versa. You don't want to go into someone's life trying to change them, but you want to go and add value into that relationship. So stop thinking that singleness is an aesthetic. This is your time to work on you. And because you refuse to work on yourself, that's why you're still single. Because just like you don't want God to give you somebody who's incomplete, He doesn't want to turn you over to somebody else incomplete so that you can destroy each other. You want to add value wherever you go. So make sure that you're focused on the right things in the right season, in the right timing.